Hey everyone, I am Chrysolite Jade V. Caingles, your reporter for today. So, we are now at the chapter 5, which is the determinants of morality. Morality consists in the conformity and non-conformity of an act with a norm. Meaning, kung unsa man imong ginabuhat, either magsunod ka or i-change nimo imong belief para ma-fit in sa isa ka group, or kaya dili nimo sundon, or kay gusto nimo nga imuhang self lang ang masunod, the result will be right or either wrong, which is an act with accordance to the norm or the law. But how does an act relate to the norm? How do we know that a given act is morally objectionable or not? In this topic, we will know about human acts which relate to the norm or the law. The following aspects are the human acts which relate to the norm. First is in itself or the object, the act in itself. Next is its motive or the end, the motive of the act. The last one is in its circumstances, the circumstances of an act. For now, I will be the one to discuss the first two human acts which relate to the norm or the aspects, which is the act in itself and in its motive. Ancient thinkers have given us these axioms. Bonum ex integra causa, malum ex iucum quid effectu. It means that a thing is good if it has the fullness of its parts, and it is bad when it is deficient in any of its integral parts. Ibig sabihin, kanang imong ginabuhat nga mga butang is maayo or good kung sa asa nimo nga angle tan-awon is maayo ang resulta or ang imong intention, o ang imong act nga gibuhat is bad kung naay part ana or naay dahilan, reason sa imong pag-act ana is bad or imong intention is bad. We are now on the first aspect, which is the act in itself. This aspect is a human act which relate to the norm. Action done itself is to regard its nature. We identified it as the end of an act, or finis operis, and also end of the doer or the agent, finis operantis. Intrinsic evil and extrinsic evil. The act in itself is what we called, or the act itself, kanang imuhang action itself. When we say intrinsic evil, the act itself is bad or evil. Kung bisag unsa pa man imong dahilan ana, kung kuan gyud siya kanang dautan gyud na siya. Kan ang intrinsic evil mo na ang pasabot. Kung moingon tag extrinsic evil, ang act is maayo pero ang resulta is bad. Mo na ang extrinsic evil. No, the act in itself is the act itself, ang kanang imong mismo nga binuhatan. Second, the motive of the act, imong intention kung anong imuhang gibuhat na nga butang. The motive of an act is the purpose. Mo to akong ingon, kanang imuhang intention or nganong imo nang gibuhat. Gibuhat nimo na para sa reward. It is what gives direction and motivation to an act. It comes first in the mind as intention and occurs last in the action as its culmination or fulfillment. Mo to akong ingon gaina nga kanang ang intention sa imong act, tapos ang end ana is ang reward or fulfillment. Without a motive, an act is meaningless or an accident. Kung wala kay intention sa imong gibuhat, kibali dili nimo intend nga buhaton, then it's just an accident. Those are the two aspects of human acts which relate to the norm. Let's proceed to this slide. What is good motive? A good motive is one which is in accordance with truth, justice, prudence, and temperance. So, ang imong intention is good kung ang resulta is, or it is about truth, or justice, prudence, and temperance. Ang motive is bad if it grows from selfishness, because such motive provokes action detrimental to others. Bad ang imuhang motive or intention kung kanang imong sarili lang imong gihuna-una, kanang ang act is makadaot sa uban. That is all about my topic. The last aspect will be discussed by my group mates. Thank you.